Cool. Adam, let's bring up the next slide and let's have Glenn go a little bit more into just how SkypeTX works and what goodness it brings and why it's different than other solutions out there.
Yeah. So, the way Rendezvous is working, the way, you can do it, very simply is using something like NDI Scan Converter. With NDI Scan Converter, a couple of weeks ago, we did a call where we brought in a team session using Scan Converter. And it's great, but you're taking the stream from a computer, you're capturing that, re-encoding that, and you don't have any control. You've got a lot of other processing and potential compression issues going on in the background. You have a lot more feedback issues. The nice thing with using SkypeTX is it's integrated into the system. So you have a call queuing system, so you can see who's online. You can click on them very quickly. It's a direct connection, so it's not jumping through another computer to do an additional encoding pass. So you have better sync quality. They've set up a talkback channel so people can on the Skype actually hear the broadcast and hear things. So it's that tighter level of integration where, yes, Scan Converter, which is a free NDI tool, or other products out there can do it, and they can get it done if you absolutely need to. But for bringing up the quality of production and the reliability, going with a dedicated solution like TalkShow is the right way to go.